Well, two different benches of India's Supreme Top Court have passed conflicting rulings on ending the stray dog menace in the country. One calls for all stray dogs in the capital to be rounded up and removed, while the other insists stray dogs should be sterilized and returned to their neighborhoods. The Supreme Court has now shifted the suo motu case to a newly constituted three-judge bench, which will hear the matter on Thursday. The court noted that the judges who passed the ban order are not part of the new bench. And earlier this morning itself, a Supreme Court lawyer mentioned a petition before the court seeking regular sterilization and vaccination of the animals. To this, the Chief Justice of India said that he would look into the issue of stray dogs in his court on Thursday, but it's not immediately clear if the Chief Justice was referring to the 2024 petition or the recent Supreme Court judgment that has triggered a backlash. The dog dilemma began earlier this week when a bench of the Supreme Court gave an order to relocate all the stray dogs in Delhi and surrounding areas. They are to be sent to safe shelters within a span of 8 weeks. The court took suo motu cognizance on rising reports of dog bites and rabies cases in the country. The judges said, forget the rules and focus on public safety, even if it meant hurting the sentiments of animal lovers. But this decision contradicts the Supreme Court's 2024 order. That order says authorities and officials are to follow the country's animal birth control rules, which says that the stray dogs are to be caught, sterilized, vaccinated, and then released back to their localities and neighborhoods. The earlier ruling also underlined compassion towards animals as a constitutional value. Integrated Health Platform says that over 10,000 people get bitten by dogs every day in India. But the actual number could be much higher. If you just look at the number of rabies deaths, the figures are startling. The government figures for rabies deaths in 2022 is 21. WHO, using government data and other Indian sources, say that 305 died of rabies in the same year. But WHO also says that its estimates of rabies deaths in India for 2022 is actually 1,800. Maharashtra state in India records the highest number of dog bite cases in the country, and that's followed by Tamil Nadu with 12.9 lakhs, Gujarat with 8.4 lakhs, Karnataka 7.6 lakhs, and Andhra Pradesh with 6.5 lakhs. This conflicted order has divided residents and animal rights activists. The Residents' Welfare Association have welcomed the dog-free neighborhood plan. That's on one side of the camp. Meanwhile, the other, the animal rights activists say that it's impractical. They point that the shelters will be overcrowded and they are underfunded in New Delhi. In an exclusive conversation with WION, animal rights activist and former Union Minister Menka Gandhi says that the Supreme Court order is not practical and that the Delhi government does not have the resources to build shelters for stray dogs. Take a listen.
Unfortunately, this was like an Alice in Wonderland order in which the Red Queen says, off with your head. So this was similar to that. It was illogical. It can't be done. Responsibility on government, which is not prepared to do this thing.